Have you or someone you know lose a GoPro or an action cam while diving? Well, today I'm going to show you how to attach a bolt snap to the GoPro Floaty stick so it won't happen again. What up, everybody? Welcome back. Hope you guys are having a BAMF day. And if you're new, I'm Bobby Hernandez. Welcome to the BAMF squad, where our mission here is to help you find locations and operations to go dive with. So if that's what you're into, consider hitting that subscribe. But if you want any more information, all links are down in the description. Today, I'm gonna teach you how I attach a stainless steel bolt snap to my GoPro Floaty stick. Okay, so I went ahead and did this part before because it's a pain in the ass and I just didn't want to waste any of y'all's time. So let's get to the hands-on. Okay, so like I was saying, I put my 550 cord through the loop, which is even, and for all you air assault type 3 nylon, you're gonna put it through the hole. You're gonna get it even. You're gonna take your stainless steel bolt snap and you're gonna feed it through, and then you're gonna have it sit to the length that you like, and then after you're gonna go on either side and then you're gonna tie a knot if you don't know how to tie a knot, tie a lot, but you get it nice and tight, and then after that you flip it over again and you go ahead and give yourself a nice square knot. To lock it in. Then after, you're gonna cut right here. Use the lighter to singe the corners down. And once you do that, actually, I'm gonna stop here. Let me go get a knife and we'll be right back. Even better, got scissors. Cut it to the respective length that you like. Go ahead and put the two ends together. Light them on fire. And now you have it secured to your floaty thing, and you can clip off to anything you like. What do you guys think? So that's how I attach my bolt snap to my GoPro Floaty stick. I'm definitely gonna melt in the knot more, so I know that was a little quick one while I was showing you, but yeah, I'm gonna melt in the knot more so it can't get loose at all. And what do you guys do? How do you secure your camera? Let me know down in the description and or comments. But hey, let me know what's up. Ask me anything. I'll answer it. Catch you at the next one.